All right. Good morning. Good morning. Jenna Resort, military spouse and real estate agent. And I'm here with Jonathan Mullins, who is from Valor Home Mortgage, Army veteran, VA loan expert galore. And I wanted to bring Jonathan on today to talk to you guys about what not to do before you buy a home. So, Jonathan, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah,
Thank you
thanks.
for having me.
Yeah, thanks for being here. There's a couple things we want to touch base on with you guys today, and I'm going to let you take it away. Well, first of all, we're going to start with jobs. Should you change jobs before you buy a home?
No, one of the things you do not want to do is if you're a W-2 employee, say you work at Walmart, you're an assistant manager, you're making $30,000 a year salary. You do not want to change from a W-2 employee to 1099 or self-employed, because underwriting is going to want to see 2-year history of employment. If you were self-employed, you would have to have 2 years tax returns to be able to use that to qualify for your VA home loan benefits, for the lender to be able to average out your income as a self-employed or 1099. So
Okay.
you want to stay W-2 employee. Don't change any jobs without speaking to a licensed mortgage professional or making any decisions like that prior to your home buying search.
Right. Awesome. Okay. The next one, should you open up any new lines of credit while you're going to buy a house?
No, not without speaking with a licensed mortgage professional, so they can go through your existing credit profile to see what your debt to income ratio looks like before you took out any new debt. I always advise my clients to wait, right, until I can see it. Especially if it's a major purchase like buying a car or a boat,
Right.
something like that. That's a huge payment. Every now and then, I'll advise a client to open up a new credit card account, because sometimes that can boost the scores a little
Mm-hmm.
bit. But always talk to a mortgage professional before you make any decision to open up any new debt. Don't just go out there and do it on your own.
Don't take it into your own hands. All right. Awesome. The next one we're going to talk about is bills, paying them on time versus late payments.
Absolutely. Always pay on time. I advise my clients to set up the minimum payments on your credit cards, right? And then if you want to pay extra each month on your cards, you can always call or make a separate payment outside of the minimum payment. But ensuring that all your bills are being reported to the 3 credit bureaus on time is critical, because you don't want to have any lates in the last 12 months, and you don't want to have any collections or any charge-offs or anything like that hit your credit, because it can affect your credit scores and can also affect your qualifying.
Nice. Yeah, the auto payment, that's a great idea. Okay, last one, and this, I don't think people think about this a lot, but what about your bank account? Negative kind of overdraft versus having money in there. I don't think that this is a common one that you would think of.
I see this a lot in the military community. Is Navy Federal and other USAA, a lot of banks offer this overdraft protection where you
Yeah.
could pay a $30, $25, $30 fee, and you could get something covered for $500, and it just
Hmm.
overdrafts your account. But overdrafts are looked at negatively in the mortgage industry, right? So you want to be mindful. If you're going to buy a house in the next 12 months, make sure, in minimum in the next 12 months, you don't have any overdrafts on your account, that you keep a positive balance in your bank accounts, so it's not looked negatively against you when your file's in front of an underwriter.
Right. All right. Awesome. So, recap, don't change jobs, no new line of credit until you speak to someone, pay those bills on time, have positive bank accounts, basically.
Absolutely. And the most important out of all that is speak to a licensed mortgage professional. You can reach me anytime, 24/7, and answer any questions you may have to make sure that you're on the right road to success to be able to buy the home that you deserve using your VA home loan benefits.
Awesome. And I'll put your contact info in the comments so people can see it if they want to reach out and ask some more questions. But thank you so much, as always, for coming on today, and helping out our military families with some advice using their VA home loan and what to do and what not to do. And I
Yeah,
appreciate your time
absolutely.
today.
It's an honor to serve with you.
All right. Bye, Jonathan. Thanks.
Bye bye. Have a good day.
You too.